sign. Fucking narrow up top.
That's the problem. We were here the day we had to pick up Dave over here on this.
Oh yeah, I was with you. Remember, I felt like an asshole. I was like, if I knew he was following us still, I wouldn't have gone down. I wouldn't have gone up that.
Walked away a lot too.
Yep. It's even funkier now than it was then. It's all overgrown. I ain't fucking going through that thing.
I ain't going through that ever
Fuck
again.
that.
You gotta get this on your GoPro, dude.
I did that.
Who's going through it, Paul?
Fuck
I
that.
think they're gonna send the team with this new bike.
I went through that once. Fuck that thing.
Yeah.
That's a one-time. It's like riding a moped.
The thing swallows quads.
Yeah.
Like
the
it's-
lifted one.
Like, yeah.
I was over my fuel tank. Where's these?
Paul's gonna go find him. Thank goodness for Paul. Should probably get that log out of there, right?
Yeah, he went straight.
That thing's a lot deeper than it looks. Can you reach it? Oh, there's a few of them in there.
There's one right there, that corner one you can grab. Actually, you know what? I wonder if you put that one there and lay it in there, it might give you a little
fucking lane. It don't look deep. It is. You know what? That if he comes through this way, this is going to help him go.
Blacka! Come on! Here's your christening, get over here.
We've all done it.
Yeah, you too.
Just a little hole, dude.
That's your christening. Grab up and around there, you come around here. Right in. What? What?
Come on, dude. Let's go.
How are you gonna blow my bike, Blake? Come on, shut that off.
fuck out of the way, Tim. What's it? Is it gonna swallow him up just like it does everybody else?
Oh boy, here we go.
Oh, he's gonna try to come through it straight. Look at him. Oh yeah.
Like, holy shit.
Yeah, you get in and you're like, wait a minute, this isn't what I thought it was.
I don't know. They did that. Style. I don't know. Someone said it was called the General,
beer
but I
cans?
can't find it. It's still there.
Here he comes. Coming through that way.
Right through.
Oh yeah! Woohoo! Nice!
Alright, never mind. It's not as deep as it was. Deep anymore.
Yeah.
It ain't deep no more.
Not as deep as it was.
This way now. Dude, that water was at the top of that berm.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was telling me that. It was up to his
Dude, that water was at the top of the berm, dude. You go in there, dude, it was like a fucking swallowing Jeep.
Fuck that hole, he
I've been
says.
through it once. One time.
Maddie, your turn.
Yeah, after seeing that, dude. Hey, hold on. Hey, do you have anything over your fucking... You gotta... I'd like to cover that up. That's his belt exhaust. I just don't want him to get a shitload of mud in it.
Ziploc bag with a zip tie.
The bag won't... Well, you'd have to pull it off right after.
What do you want to do, like a rag? And a zip
Yeah, if you had a rag and a zip tie.
Right here. Your belt.
No, because
right
where they put the belt exhaust on these, like if you kick up enough mud, like if it was in the front, you definitely kick mud in it because those wheels turn.
I have a rag
But
and
since
zip
the
tie.
wheels turn,
That's what I would do.
It's gonna come up.
Just to keep the mud out of it, that's all. And then pull it off once he's out of it. Because he's going to make it through it, no problem.
It'll probably go through a two-wheel drive. CF Moto went through.
Now, why would they do something like that? That's a hell of a spot because you turn the tire spinning.
used to be-
That's pushing
Can
a
you
big
buy a
fucking.
snorkel kit for it to come up?
Yeah. It used to be, they used to route it under the seat, but
Right,
then the
up
belt boxes were
underneath
getting
towards
too
the
hot. Yeah, belt boxes were getting too hot.
So I just go through and then rip it off.
Yeah, that's all. Oh, dude, that ain't nothing like it used to be.
Now it'll be down.
Dude, that was over the fucking fuel tank on my other quad.
Yeah.
I was standing there. There's a video Joey has. I'm like, what the fuck? Because Joey's like, go through it. You'll make it no problem.
Of course he did.
And
He
he
did
pulls
his-
up on the side and he's like this.
He did the same thing to me when I had the 850.
Drive now past this.
He's fucking with the newbies. Dude, that's actually pretty. Was that for the second rider? That's pretty fucking
Yeah,
sick. I like that.
Sucks though, dude, because my girl could just barely put her feet on it, but
No shit.
it goes back and rig
So
up.
she's kind of like,
Yeah, she's kind of short too, so.
yeah,
But it works. It works, you know.
yeah. Dude, I love mine. That fucking thing.
I love it too. I don't.
It's
I haven't
awesome.
ridden much, but
Yeah, it's awesome. You just fucking. The only tough thing is you're kind of holding on for your life sometimes.
yeah, because
You know?
you can't really like slide around like I'm used to sliding around.
Well, you gotta give it some nut to do it, you know, and it's.
And the thing is, this thing has a lot of nuts. So
Oh,
it's
yeah.
Scary, you know.
I used a lot of it when we were up in New Hampshire. Around here, there's not enough stretch, you
Right,
know.
yeah,
But up
yep.
there, I fucking used it all.
I have almost the exact same time.